Hello guys, my name is Sendes Asante, and if you're watching me right now, I would love for you to give me a follow, like my video, and comment if you would love to. But if you're watching me on YouTube, I'll be glad if you can subscribe for me. It's actually free. Thank you. Hello guys, my name is Sendes Asante, and you are welcome to my first class ever. And this is going to be on accounting. I'm going to be taking you through series of accounting tutorials. Have you ever wondered that accounting could be so easy that you can be solving questions even while you are asleep? And this is my vision for this year. I'm going to take you through series of accounting topics, and I'm going to try my best to bring it to your best knowledge and understanding, and I believe that it's going to help you. So I want you to follow my channel, like and subscribe, and then share with other people if this class blesses you. Right, today we are going to do introduction to financial accounting. Introduction to financial accounting. Well, a lot of people have questions, and some people have not even studied accounting before, and this is their first time, and they are on campuses. There are other friends who have also started their CA journey, and I wish to be of help to you. So let's begin with, I know you may have learned this already, but let's do a revision. If this is new to you too, I really hope that it helps you. Right. So, introduction to financial accounting. Now, first of all, what then is financial accounting? Financial accounting. Right. I would say that financial accounting is the process of recording and summarizing financial information or business transactions. All right, so the process of recording. A lot of books will tell you recording, classifying, or whatever, but I'll limit it to just the process of recording and summarizing financial information, or you can say business transaction. Right, into the financial statements. Right, so the process of recording and summarizing financial information, which is business transactions, into the financial statements. All right, for the users of accounting, let's limit it to for users to help them in decision making. All right, this is the simplest way I can break it down for you. I could give you a lot of definitions, but let's just limit it to get the understanding. Financial accounting is the process of recording and summarizing financial information, which is business transactions, into the financial statements for the users. All right, why are you summarizing it for the users? To help them in decision making. All right, so that is accounting. Remember that some of our parents, some of our friends are already doing the accounting, just that they are not doing the practical form that we are talking about. Okay, so the transactions that goes on daily in the marketplace, in every other place, what we tend to do is to record them. All right, we know our parents normally record them in their long staff books and their sheet of paper and calculate something. That is accounting. But when we come to financial accounting, in the theoretical way, we are saying that it's the process of recording it, summarizing it. I'll come and talk about the summarizing. It has to do with classifying them, grouping them in their various accounts. Okay, all right. So let's talk about some of the key terms that are here. Some of the key terms that are here. Okay, so key terms. Number one, recording. Recording is just writing or inculcating the financial transaction or financial information into the financial statements. So the process of recording it, that is what we say you are recording. The process of writing them down. Okay, that's what we mean by recording. That's what we mean by recording. Then when we talk about summarizing, all we are saying is that classify them, group them, and then also fix them in the right accounts. If accounting is new to you, when we say right accounts, they are individual accounts, because we have purchases where you buy stuff, we have sales where you sell stuff, we have the assets account where we group all assets, into them. So we tend to group them. Our parents then will classify everything in their book, get their income, and then get their expenses, and then let's say to achieve profit. That is what we are also doing, just that we will do it in the more proper way. We will do it in a more cultured way. Are you getting it? So that is about summarizing. So you summarize your business transaction. Now, when I talk about business transaction, what is business transaction? Business transaction is any transaction that can be quantified in monetary terms. So any transaction, for example, I work in a hospital, one of the best hospitals in Kumasi, Oak Specialist Hospital. Now, I'm at the account section. So we deal with what we are talking about. Now, imagine a doctor gives a patient or a client a medication. All right. Everyone said Dr. B will be panic. That is not my job. Is not to record that moment. My job is not record that moment. Mine is okay. Probably they went to the pharmacy for syrup or for any other medication for them. Ours is to record it because they went to purchase it. I get it. So anything that can be quantified, the doctor putting the shrink or putting the needle or whatever in the person's arm or whatever, cannot be quantified, but the medication can be quantified. So business transaction, you are saying that anything that can be quantified in monetary terms is called a business transaction. It's called a business transaction. So that is business transaction. Then the next one we want to talk about will be the financial statement. The financial statement. Now with the financial statement, we have the cash book, we have the then balance sheet. Okay, if you're an SHS student, you know we used to call it balance sheet. Okay, but now it's statement of financial position. Then we have the statement, income statement, all right, or statement of profit or loss. That is also a type of, we'll be learning that. That is also a type of financial statement. Then we have notes to the accounts. We also have notes to the account, right? So that is about financial statement. For now, that is just what you need to know. Then we also talk about the users. Now, when we say users of accounting information, these are people, these are persons or entities that have interest in the company. It has interest in your organization. They have interest in your firm. We call them users. So in accounting, we are not just preparing the information, we are not just recording them, we are not just summarizing them. The reason why we are going about, if you're an accounting student, the reason why you are drawing all these tables, the reason why you are doing everything, at the end of the day, what you do is to communicate to the users. At the end of the day, you are communicating to the users because they want to make decisions. Everybody wants to make profit. I'll come to the types or the types of users or examples of users of accounting information. Everybody has their own interest. Let's look at some of the users. We have internal and external. Internal and external. All right. With the internal, we can have people like the management. Okay, in every entity we have the management. These are people who actually are doing the work. They are doing the managerial work, which is controlling, monitoring, and whatever. So they are interested in the accounting information. They want to know whether they are doing well. They want to know whether things are going well for them. You understand? If I'm a manager, I want to know whether the work I'm doing is really going on well. You understand? So I have interest in the accounting information, whether we are making profit or loss. We also have employees. Employees are people who work for the company or the organization. They also need to know, they also have interest in the accounting information. For example, I work in Oak Specialist Hospital. I would want to know if the company is doing well because I'm being paid by the company. Imagine that at the end of the day, we are seeing that the company is always making loss. It means that there is a question whether they can be paying my salary in the next few years to come, in the next few months to come. So I'll be interested. These are internal. They are inside the organization. But we also have external. Some like shareholders. When we say shareholders are people who have contributed capital. They have contributed capital to the organization. And when they contribute capital, in return, they are looking for profit. You see, yes, so when they contribute their capital, their interest is that whether the company makes a profit because they are going to get it back as dividend. You see, to almost one facility, they will be interested in the financial information. So these are shareholders. We also have people like the government. Every entity pays tax. So government will also have interest because if the business is gaining profit, they'll be paying more tax. And we have customers, we have creditors. Creditors are people who lend to us. Now, because they lend to us on credit, they will also want to know our credit worthiness. So they want to know whether the company is doing well or not. We have people like financial institutions. We go for loans from them. They also want to know whether you are doing well or not. So everything that we are doing is not just for ourselves, but also is for the people that we call them the users of accounting information. This is why we are preparing our account. This is why we are recording. This is why we are summarizing. This is why we are interpreting. This is why we are communicating. Because we want the users to make the right decisions. We want users to make the right decisions. Now, in summary, what I'm saying is that accounting is the process of recording and summarizing financial information, which are also business transactions, into the financial statement. I mentioned some of the financial statement, the cash flow statement, the statement of financial position, the income statement. I also mentioned notes to the accounts. All right, and then we also said that we are doing all these things for the users. We have mentioned some of the users. Then we said that why are we giving it to the users? Why are we explaining it to the users? What if you're an accounting student? You ask the question. We prepare everything. Now, when we get the financial statement, we get the profit and loss, we get everything. Now they say that we will now get into ratios. We are coming to explain them. You see, the reason why we are doing all this is for the users to really understand what we are doing. Are you getting it? Even here, we can bring competitors. Competitors also have interest in your company. They want to do some competitors are learning from their competitors. Some companies are learning from their competitors. They are always monitoring them. You understand? So this is accounting is an easy course. It's our daily life. And I'm trying to see how best I'll be able to go with this and then help anybody that needs help in accounting. And I believe that you are going to be blessed with some of these tutorials. Encourage your friends to join us on YouTube and any other platform that will be posting this, and I'm going to help you gradually from time to time. This is just my first video, and I want you to like and comment under it any topic you wish for me to take. I'm going to also go ahead with the CA courses. I'm going to also try and go through some of them, the standards and the rest. If you are in the university, this is the good work for you. There are some of the students even in the university these days, IT students are doing accounting and the rest. I'm in here to help you, and I wish that we will have a successful accounting journey. So in my next episode, I'm going to continue from here, and I believe that you are going to be blessed. My name is Ernest Asante. Stay tuned. God bless you.